Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be making a real basic silhouette Easter theme. Continue watching to acquire the products and steps I use to make this. I'm going to keep this tutorial real simple and easy, so just follow along. The material that I'm using, it's from Lowe's or Home Depot. I find that this material cuts real good with the correct settings.
Caught up since the day that we met, and you haven't seen the best of me yet. There's nothing like you and me together, and your eyes have been so hard to forget. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. It don't matter how much time it takes. I just can't give up. Whoa, I just can't give up. Can't give up. I just can't give up. Oh, baby, I just can't give up. I just can't give up.
If you have made it this far, I would like to say thank you. You are more than welcome to share my videos. Stay connected for future videos like this.